Good morning. Going to breakfast. Hey.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I want a big hug with you too.
9 years old today.
9 years old.
Went by fast, didn't it, Daddy?
Yep. 9 more years and you're 18.
Oh my gosh. Just toast?
Now my mommy's right.
You want toast?
They have waffles. Would you like a waffle?
Yeah.
You want a waffle? No.
I'm not gonna have fun with all this homework.
Homework? Oh my gosh, quit stressing about this homework.
But no, he doesn't. Yes, he does.
Maybe I should give myself something to eat. Did you know that, or were you just trying to be funny?
I wasn't trying to be funny.
You thought the ironing board was a boogie board?
I thought it was an iron. And I already knew. Mom, this is heavy. Have you ever been in an elevator?
All right, our house is ready.
Mom, do you want me to do that? Hey, sailor, please. Remember? Hey, sailor.
No.
Hey, sailor. Remember?
You guys have fun at the beach?
Everyone's just gonna run around as soon as we can get in.
You're gonna run around?
Remember last year what we did?
I've never had to use a key, then you gotta push it in.
Take her back.
Yeah, because we always go in the other
It
side.
pushes in.
You taking them upstairs?
Guys.
Can't wait to be upstairs.
I don't know why. Can't wait to hear.
You happy?
Come to our room. We're here. Oh. Did he put a ball in? Yeah. What?
All right, let's go see our room. Hello, room. Bye.
Because we put too much in.
Cookies were just delivered from Grand Strand and the owners. They look delicious. Good?
I'm gonna go get a secret.
I figured you guys were hungry about being out in the ocean,
I'm
right?
gonna go get a secret. Yeah, we were.
Yeah, I figured you were hungry. Poppy's on the toilet. That one?
What?
That one?
No, I said it was by the pool. I want to go out with it.
Done.
Oh my God.
Gotta get it from the beach.
Should I help? Yeah. Making a big
You should have heard what we heard. Oh, we were in the elevator. We were at the elevator. Pretend like you're sleeping.
Yeah.
Like this, Lincoln.
Come in.
There it comes.
Here it goes.
So easy. Did you see that?
No, I wasn't watching.
I told Amanda there was a little kid on the box. I couldn't figure it out until a minute. Literally, you can have a kid do this. Ready? One hand. Look.
That was a trip, Amanda.
Right up.
Hi, Grandma.
Hi, I made it.
Their gang's all here.
Yep, we're here. Look, you have to make sure you call.
They can kill you. Says, how do you open it?
She's actually from Lincoln.
And he's looking for her. Oh, he gave up. Did you find Poppy yet, Lincoln?
No, yeah, but I am.
Is she in here? Is she in here?
She might be out on the
She might be what?
That's a scary team to coming into town. I would root for you. You're dominating after by all this.
I don't see her. Is she behind here?
Our
closet.
There she is.
Behind the door, right here. Here she is.
We found her. You found her.
Tom. You have 2 beds in your room? Sweet Caroline.
Bump up those ears.
No, it's
How's it go? How's it go? You're allowed.
Sweet Caroline.
Okay. Show them how you do it then.
Oh, Aunt Shar.
Okay,
Come
I'm
back.
listening. I want to hear. I want to
Aunt
hear.
Shar's gonna love this.
Gonna sing it for me? You gonna sing it? Sweet Caroline. Boom, boom, boom.
That's not how they go.
They don't know. Teach them. Teach them.
Tell us.
Want to hear it?
We couldn't get you to stop saying it. Now you won't say it.
That was a good game.
Sweet Caroline. Eat.
Oh, I ain't seen it.
Lincoln, did you burn your couch last Saturday?
No.
Tom wanted me to touch
No,
the
but
back.
somebody got arrested using flamethrower.
You don't like sprinkles.
Take them off,
Are
buddy.
you taking them off? Get in over here. Link, do you want the sprinkles? Link? Yeah, do it. Here, have sprinkles.
All right. Why you look so sad, Sage?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sage and Poppy. Happy birthday to you. Hey!
I want a cupcake.
I got cupcakes.
I eat it now.
Do I have M&M stage? Do you like M&M?
I'm not hungry. I let Lincoln have my sprinkles.
You don't know which one?
I like sprinkles. Now they're in my tummy. And now Dad is in your tummy. Another one. I like sprinkles.
That game you wanted. Is that one you wanted or no? Yes, it's there.
What game is it? Oh, it's Zelda Switch 2. Is it the one I already got?
No, it's different. That's why. Yeah.
It's a different game.
You gonna open it, Poppy, or
Oh,
not?
like him?
Oh, I hope.
Hey, Lincoln, you better look that way. It's scary.
No, it's not. I already have 2 of them.
Aww.
What color is it?
It's the secret.
All right. Well, Liz.
I'm not doing the secret. You got a secret.
So Pap's gonna trade you.
Yeah, I already have a secret.
This is the best one. This is one that's worth all kinds of money.
Yeah, it is. That cupcake good.
Hey,
You already won.
You have yours. Go get yours.
What if I have 2 dogs? And then I went down the pond, go down here into my face.
What are you doing?
Or I'll just go thinking. Poppy,
No,
should we?
Bring it.
It's his truck.
That's your truck?
Yeah. It's his truck. Papa's stealing it. Yeah, and I'll tell Al. And you're Super Leo, and I'm Super Girl. Ow, ow,
Good night, guys.
Good night.
Night.
Me. I know.
Good night.
Don't shut the lights off.
Good night, guys. Night, Archer.
I just saw that. I got another diamond pit. But you guess how much money I'm gonna get?
Morning.
I didn't sleep good. It was around 10:30 when I walked out and told the kids to.
What's wrong? Hedgehog. Round.
We're gonna poop on you. Ah.
Arlene, there's no birds underneath of here.
Okay. Well, they just.
They're all above you guys.
They're up here.
Do it again.
No. Oh, they both want it. Give me that cherry turnover.
It's kind of pretty. Look, you got.
No.
There, guys. Squirt 'em. Squirt 'em.
Oh.
There's no water in it.
We need to get water.
Thank you.
You
You
watered
saved
it.
me. Thank you.
Oh.
We'll get some water. I'm gonna go get some. Go to town.
Here's some crumbs. There's crumbs all over this porch.
Clean it up. Hurry up and eat that. Would you give him some?
They're getting attacked! Be nice. No, what? They have food! They have food! Pat, keep firing the food!
They want me to feed them. Shoot them.
No.
Oh, that one got a big piece.
Okay, we'll do it.
Dave, you missed it. Your mom got attacked.
I felt bad. We're also gonna get food.
Shoot them.
No.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. This one's back.
They'll come up here. Shoot them. Score. Shoot it.
There's one right there. Get it.
We need some more food. They're all just sitting on the ground.
No, that's it.
What they're waiting for. Okay.
They'll clean it up.
He got wet. He got wet.
You missed it.
They'll eat it. Way out. As it's being seen, hopefully they get out of there. There's nothing even know that there. No.
You're okay.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Cold pop?
Remember when I made fun of the
This is from the 70s.
I don't think you got the lung power to blow that up.
We'll see.
Oh, yeah. Struggle. Carrying it back.
Uh-oh.
Boy, it's just wet and nice. Usually I have to have a long sleeve on down there. Whoa! I don't want to go through it. I have a long leave. I think I'm going to fish.
A billboard, and I looked it up.
But that's just a tease. That's a tease. Whenever you get crab legs,
Go get 'em.
that's what I'm getting. I'm getting crab legs and crab catchers and for the other. I'm getting them for Want to test it out?
Big golden something.
Hello, puppy.
We're supposed to do that. We were supposed to get a picture first.
And now it's time to marry you, Dad.
Nope. Berry coffee.
No, I'm going to use my stuff.
Treasure, no.
Go.
There's only one.
Okay. Boy, you got excited.
So you got to catch it soft. Oh, you lost. Coffee lost.
It's still together. No. Oh my gosh.
Lincoln pair up often. They don't really have other options.
Today's Sunday.
What are we doing today?
I don't know.
Mini golf?
You guys are in the toilet.
Wait, I already did something funny. I gotta get swirly!
You got it.
I got another diamond pit. But you guess how much money you're gonna get
Hey, you're gonna pop it. You shouldn't stand on it.
This is a vibe.
Is that a bad catch or bad throw?
Guys, do they typically dance like this in Bluey? They do.
Mom, remember the double flip from last year?
Yeah?
We found it.
Did you?
That's what Dad said. When Dad told us it was falling.
Where's the putter? Let's see it.
Show us the actual thing.
Actual thing.
You have the same piece as me.
Yeah, similar.
Are you dropping it?
I'm trying to.
Give it to him.
Yeah.
And he left you.
Leave it there.
Sorry. What's the pudding? What? Don't take them. Mom, what did you say?
I didn't say anything.
It comes in. Look it, I'm getting it.
Here comes it.
Can I roll? No! I said stop! No! No! Well, then I'm gonna kneel.
You're okay. Oh, there's things that hold those in.
Are you gonna be the only one who can?
No.
Mama, we're waiting patiently. Wait, I need to order the road.
Oh my. How much does this thing, how much weight can this thing hold?
400 and some pounds.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
We could all fit in here.
I know. All right. In a boat. Archer, let go.
Now stay in there till dinner.
We're not doing that. They're both from Lincoln has a squirt gun. Bravo?
Poppy, don't squirt me.
Keep going forwards. Now back.
You guys look like a bunch of pirates.
But we're just turning.
You're just what?
But our boats, turn. And we're,
like your outfit.
Or do you have shoes?
I bet you he doesn't have shoes as cool as Lincoln.
No more. Alright, I'll see.
Hi, handsome. Oh, check you out. Woohoo! Give me a horsey. This card taking on the
Alright, shut the door. Come on.
Have fun.
Bye. Bye. Tom.
The door's
Come
not
on. Yell Conrad too. Conrad! I don't know where he is.
Probably outside.
Maybe.
I think all of North Myrtle heard her.
We're gonna do anything.
Yeah.
Non-stop action. Unforgettable moments. All your favorite series, 1-for-1 field goals beyond
The good Sage?
and the whole department Michael Dick.
Oh, Poppy's the grumpy monk. Sage's turn. Where are we going?
I don't know.
The secret.
I think it's on their Archer's meeting. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.